Do you have an unwanted home that you want to sell? Well, Great Properties LLC is the area's leading real estate solutions company. Our company and team works with sellers to buy homes from motivated sellers. We are confident that when we work together, we can find the right solution for you. Let us share our knowledge and help you make the best decision concerning your unwanted property. We specialize in buying homes at a price and on a timeline that works for you and for us. Over the years, we have worked with a number of financially distressed homeowners. We approach every situation professionally and with a caring attitude. See, success for us is defined as treating you with respect and dignity. Get help today. Contact us now at www.getafasthomeoffer.com. Let us earn your confidence. Whether you are facing a foreclosure, behind on your mortgage, or weighed down by unfinished repairs, tax liens, or other burdens, visit us at www.getafasthomeoffer.com. We will not act as your real estate agent or broker if we buy a house from you, sell you a house, or rent you a home. However, we will make all the repairs necessary after we buy your home. We look forward to speaking with you soon. Contact us today and receive an offer within 24 hours.